Common causes, issue, what causes it, virtual controller error or controller not recognized. Anti-cheat system detects third-party controller emulator software, DS for Windows, Xpatter, etc., and blocks or refuses input. Appules, multiple input devices connected. Joysticks, gamepads, racing wheels, pedals, etc. can conflict. The game may pick wrong device or get input stuck. Reddit, controller input causing mouse lag, stutter. Background controllers or drivers pull input incorrectly. Hardware-software conflicts. Frontech, controller emulation tools running. DS for Windows or other tools can trigger detection by anti-cheat. Game may refuse to launch or disable input. DS solutions, fixes to try. Follow these steps. Test after each if the problem is solved. 1. Close, uninstall third-party controller emulators. Exit DS for Windows, Input Mapper, Xpatter, or any tool that creates a virtual controller. Use Task Manager to kill their processes. Download source.net, temporary uninstall any virtual driver packages like ViGemBus, HidGuardian, etc. If needed, reinstall later. 2. Use native, trusted controller support. Use controllers that are natively supported, Xbox controllers, PlayStation controllers with official driver support. If using Steam, enable Steam input for your controller. Go to Steam, Settings, Controller. Enable support for your controller type. For Battlefield 6, in its Steam Properties controller, set override/enable Steam input. Download source.net -3. Disconnect other controllers / unused devices. Unplug or disable any other game controllers, pedals, racing wheels, joysticks that you aren't actively using. Sometimes even unused devices interfere. Reddit. In Device Manager, check for hidden controller input devices and disable ones not needed. Frontech. 4. Start game with controller connected. Plug in or turn on your controller before launching Battlefield 6. Let Windows recognize it first, then start the game. Sometimes hot plugging causes detection issues. Frontech Tatashar 5. Disable Steam input if it causes issues. Sometimes Steam input layering causes conflicts. If that happens, try disabling it for Battlefield 6 and using the controller with its native support. Frontech 6. Check in-game controller settings. Go to the Battlefield 6 settings, controller, gamepad, input, and ensure the correct controller is selected. Reset any custom button mappings. Try default layout to see if that resolves conflicts. If you see gyroscope, motion sensor aim options, but they don't respond, check if firmware or driver update needed. Some features may be present in menu, but non-functional. Reddit Nashnashala 7. Test with wired versus wireless connection. If using wireless controller, Bluetooth, or wireless adapter, try using USB cable. Wired often avoids connectivity issues or input lag. If that works, it may point to wireless interference or input lag over Bluetooth. Hammer 8. Update drivers on controller firmware if available for PlayStation, Xbox, etc. Update relevant Windows drivers, USB controllers, Bluetooth drivers, controller drivers. 9. Wait, install game patches. Some issues are known bugs in early versions, beta builds of Battlefield 6 and are being addressed via patches. If none of the above work, check for updates for the game.